I am S.B. Misra, going to teach you inverse trigonometric function. This is chapter 4. Chapter 3 is no more in your syllabus. Binary operation has been deleted from your syllabus. So chapter 4, this is for optional students. This is part 1 of inverse trigonometric function. 1 on 2 functions are called invertible functions, you know. 1 goes to 1, 1 goes to 1. Nothing is left untouched. So 1 on 2 functions are invertible. See the trigonometric functions. This is many one generally. Pi by 6. If y is equal to sin x, pi by 6 means 30 degrees, sin 30 half. pi by 6, pi by 6 means 150 डिग्री, 150 डिग्री साइन 150 डिग्री भी हाफ होता है. 13 पाई बाई 6 means sin x when x is equal to 390 degree, y is equal to sin 390, this is also half. So the function is many one, many goes to 1, so this is never invertible. So the inverse of sin x is not possible. Sin inverse x is not possible because many one function. 1 functions, 1 and on 2 functions are only invertible. So we are going to restrict the sin inverse x. We have taken many values, 30 degree, 150 degree, 390 degree, but now we are going to take only from minus 90 to plus 90. If we take minus 90 to plus 90, then the function y is equal to sin x will become 1 on 2. For 1 on 2, we restrict this. Sin inverse x must belong to minus 90 to plus 90. It will be more clear to you later on. And the value of x will, for this, the value of x must lie between minus 1 to 1 for 1 on 2 function. This will be more clear later on. Wait. At the moment you are observing that the function is many one. Hence, the trigonometric functions are generally not 1 on 2. But when we restrict their domain, we can make them 1 on 2. Hence invertible, and then their inverse will exist. Students note it that this is the starting of inverse trigonometric function. The theory portion is always painful and it takes a lot of time to know the fact. You will be knowing gradually. For y is equal to sin x, if x is equal to minus 90 to 90, pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus 90 to 90, then the value of y must belong to minus 1 to 1. You can see if sin minus 90, minus is outside, minus sin 90 is minus 1, and sin pi by 2, sin 90 is 1. So for the value of x minus pi by 2, y will be minus 1. For the value of x pi by 2, y will be sin pi by 2, 1. Hence sin x from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 goes to minus 1 and 1. And sin inverse ulta, sin inverse this will go to this. We cannot take 150 of 390 degree at etc. We have to take from the values between this and this. It will be more clear later on. So wait. Yes. Now sin inverse x, sin x ka inverse, this is 1 by sin x, like x inverse is equal to 1 by x, you know. Sin x ka inverse is never equal to sin inverse x. And both are the different thing. The concept of sin inverse comes from the fact that if sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, sin 90, sin 30 is 1 by 2, you know, then pi by 6 is sine inverse half. Sine pi by 6 का inverse is 1 by sine pi by 6. 1 by 1 by 2, this is 2. So both are the different things. Sine x का inverse is never equal to sine inverse x. Note, sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, all these are to be focused by you, never this. तुम इसके चक्कर में रहना, ना कि इसके चक्कर में. These are not inverse trigonometric function. So now this. Again the theory portion. Y is equal to sine inverse x. You can select x from, the value of x will be from this to this, and the value of y will be from minus 90 to 90, minus 90 to 90. If y is equal to cos x, you can select x from minus 1 to 1, then y will be 0 to pi. If y is equal to tan inverse x, then select x from minus infinity to plus infinity, and y will be minus 90 to 90. More clear, sine inverse x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, or minus 90 is smaller than equal to sine inverse x is smaller than 90, where x is belonging to this interval minus 1 to 1. See, this table has been explained here. Other sec inverse x, cos sec inverse x, cot inverse x, if needed you can see the book. This is very urgent for you and very easy. How to remove negative sign. If sine inverse minus x, tan inverse minus x, cosec inverse minus x, minus will come outside. But in case of these three, minus will come along with this pi. So remember this. There are some term conditions. You will be knowing term conditions gradually. How to take minus outside. साइन tan cosec में माइनस अपने आप बाहर आ जाता है, बट ये तीनों में पाई के साथ बाहर आएगा. नाउ दिस इज अर्जेंट फॉर यू, वेरी इजी. साइन इनवर्स साइन एक्स, साइन इनवर्स साइन कैंसिल्स ईच अदर, दिस इज एक्स. ये साइन इनवर्स और साइन दोनों एक दूसरे को काट देगा, एक दूसरे का रेसिप्रोकल है, बच जाएगा एक्स. उसी तरह से कॉस इनवर्स कॉस गायब हो जाएगा, एक्स बचेगा. टेन इनवर्स टेन गायब, एक्स बचेगा. उसी तरह से ये सब हो गया. And likewise sin inverse x is also x, cos inverse x is x, and this is very easy. Now this is most urgent. How we convert sin inverse 3 by 5. एक ट्रायंगल बनाओ, ये P है 3, P 3 और H हो गया 5, इसका B निकाल लो 4. अब इसको cos में बदलना है sin inverse को, तो cos inverse और cos में होता है b बाई एच, तो 4 बाई 5 हो जाएगा. tan में होता है p बाई बी, तो 3 बाई 4 हो जाएगा. cot में बदलना चाहोगे तो b बाई p, 4 बाई 3. sec में बदलना चाहोगे h बाई b. और ये cosec में बदलना चाहोगे तो ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा ये पाई बाई 3. नेक्स्ट कन्वर्सन, साइन इनवर्स 2x 1 by 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर बदलना है कॉस इनवर्स में, टेन इनवर्स में, सेक इनवर्स में, कॉट इनवर्स, कॉसेक इनवर्स, जैसे पहले बदले थे. तो 2x हो गया परपेंडिकुलर, 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर हो गया हाइपोटेन्यूज. नाउ बेस, you can find this by Pythagoras theorem. But there is a Pythagorean triplet. अपने आप होता है, अगर एक 2x है तो एक 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, दूसरा 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ये दोनों ट्रिपलेट 8 क्लास में कभी पढ़ना रहता था. तो याद रखो कि अगर 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है तो तीसरा मेंबर अपने आप हो जाएगा 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो अब कन्वर्ट कर दो, जैसे पहले बदले थे कॉस इनवर्स b बाई एच, और उसी तरह से tan इनवर्स दिस बाई दिस, p बाई b, sec इनवर्स दिस बाई दिस, एंड as previously we have converted. Now see this, cosec इनवर्स ए बाई बी साइन इनवर्स बी बाई ए, चूंकि cosec का उल्टा साइन होता है. sec inverse a by b is equal to cos inverse b by a. Cot inverse a by b is tan inverse this. Now know this very important formula and very easy. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. There is a condition